Hello guys, so today I would like to post one more project in the field of digital image processing. Now just click this button to run the code. It will open one graphical user interface. The title of the project is an efficient filtering based approach improving LSB image steganography using status bit along with AES cryptography. Now this is one kind of data heading method in which we are going to embed text as well as secret image. So just click on first button, that is transfer button. It will open one more graphical user interface. Now select one cover image from input database. So I'm going to select one image, that is a Lena image. Just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Now at the same time you have to enter the text that you want to embed. So enter secret text here. So you have to enter a secret text in this edit box that you want to embed. Now at the same time you have to select the secret image that you want to embed. So I'm going to select this image, binary, just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Now you are supposed to enter a secret key for encryption purpose. So I'm going to enter here 1 and how much bits you want to embed in a single pixel. So you have to enter how much bits that you want to embed in a single pixel. So I'm going to enter here 2 and just click on embed image and text. So this text and this image will embed it into the cover image, and this is what we get as a stego image. These are the various quality parameters. The value of PES that I'm getting is 53.2977. The value of MSE, that is mean square error, that I'm getting is 0.304307, and the total number of bits we have embedded is 138568. Now you have to keep these two parameters in your mind because these two parameters are required at the resource site. Now just click on save stego image button. It will save the stego image. So just give the name stego.jpg. Now just click on save. Now we are going to clear all the content and just close this graphical user interface. Now just click on the second button, that is receiver button. It will open one more graphical user interface. Now we have to select a stego image. So I'm going to select a stego image for recovery purpose. Just click on open. Now you have to enter the same parameters that we have entered at the center side. So I'm going to enter here 1 and the number of bits is equal to 2. And finally just click on extract button. This process will extract both image as well as text from the stego image. So we're recovering this secret image and this is my secret text. Now we can save both the contents. So just save this secret image. So I'm going to save this by sec.bmp. Just click on save button, and we're going to also save the text as well, and just click on clear all and close this graphical user interface and close this main GUI. Now just open this folder. So we have here recovered secret image as well as recovered secret text. Just check it out. So this is my recovered secret text. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos and share my all the videos. If you want this code, then just mail me on given mail ID as well as just message me on WhatsApp, which is given in video description. Thank you so much.